What's up guys, Colby Dean here, Mechanics Garage, looking at a 2011 F-550. We have a headlight bulb out. I'm going to just show you real quick how this headlight comes out. I imagine you could tear this air box out and access it from there. There is a hole, however what I just did, I had 4 screws across the top of this grill. Once you pop those screws out, this grill will lean forward. In the headlight you have 4 screws as well. You have 1 up top, you have 2 on the sides right down here, 1 and 2, and then you have 1 right here at the bottom. Once you get those out, you can pull your headlight forward. It is a little tight here on this fender well, but it will pop out. And once you get it popped out, I apologize, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Once you get it popped out, you can sneak the 3 wires loose in the back, and then that bulb here just twists out. Normal rotation on that. Unhook the wires, twist the bulb out. Here is my old bulb. It is burned out. Do not touch the glass of the bulb with your fingertips. The oil on your skin will blow the bulb out prematurely. Put the 4 bolts back in the headlight, hook up the wiring harness, 4 bolts back in the grill, you're good to go. Thanks guys, hope I was able to help. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Peace.